Everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm doing your first week of September reading, start from the 1st through the 7th of September 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Scorpio. So let's see what is coming up for Scorpions for this week time. I will be adding oracle cards, but no charms will be included. But yes, we are taking three different oracle cards here, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. And for personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. And you can also check out my sister's tarot channel as well. I will be adding the link to her channel in the comment section. If you like it, you can always become a part of her YouTube family as well. So let's get started. Let's see what is coming up for you guys for this first week of September time. Start from the 1st through the 7th, starting tomorrow. And let's begin. What's heading for Scorpions? Wow, the Tower. Death. Wow. Six of Pentacles. Six of Swords. Wow. Finally, Scorpions are having the balance in their life. Underneath the deck, we do have Eight of Pentacles. I do see that, like, it's you're gonna start off the week being very busy, like, very, 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 very busy, where you feel like, oh my god, when is it going to end? When is this, like, when would you be able to give your time and attention to the things that you want, to the things that bring you peace from within, to the things that you really want to give your time and energy to? You yourself are not happy as you start of the week. I feel like, you are very you don't know how to deal with the pressure that you are having in the very beginning of the week. It can be I'm picking up like the work thing more than anything else here. It's like, work pressure, which is making you go crazy right now. It's like, you are not having enough time for yourself. So if you are cross-watcher watching this, know that the Scorpions are dealing with the shit right now in their life. So just let them have it. Let them get free. Like, this person is not in that zone where they are able to do the things that they want to do right now. So just let them have the space. Let them do their thing. They really want to be with you. They really want to be, like, you really want, like, Scorpions, I feel like, you really want to have the stability. You really are tired of going on and off, going fighting with your person, and then, like, maybe you just want to get done with this. Like, you really want to give them time and energy. You really want to have that balance in your life, because you also believe that having a balanced life is the key to peaceful life, and that's what you want. Your work, there are certain responsibilities that are on your shoulder, are very consuming in terms of your time, energies. But having said that, you yourself find yourself at times stuck in a situation like this. You don't know how to deal with it, because you know that you are not being able to do the justice to your connections. I feel like, you hate what you are doing in the very beginning of the week, but as you move towards the second part of the week, or second half of the week, I do see you finding some sort of balance back in your life, where you are feeling good now, where you are able to find some time out for yourself, for the things that you want, for the things that you love, for the things that you would like to give your time to. I feel like, there is a specific someone who you really want to give your time to, who you really want to have a peaceful life with. I do see you going on and off with this person because of this situation, that sometimes you have this, chaotic situation at your work, and then there are times when you have enough time to talk to them. So it's an on and off situation, but at the same time, I feel like, it's something which has been going on for the Scorpions for quite some time already, and it is going to be, like, going on in the future as well. So what I do see here is you understanding that, and you trying your best to maintain the balance there, even though I don't see you being able to maintain that balance still, because seems like, you've been giving a lot to this person here, and this person is being, like, kind of craving for more of you. So I feel like, you even, like, okay, fine, here we do have three pentacles, and there we have two. So again, like, even though you try your best, you still won't be able to have that, but things are going to be better than before in your love life. Because I feel like, you have a lot going on in your life. This person here, Scorpion, is so busy. They love someone so badly, but at the same time they cannot express that love. They cannot do the things that they want to do with this person because of this stress. For some of you, in fact, for majority of you, it is work pressure, it is work related situation. For very few of you, it could be responsibilities that you would be having in your family on your shoulder. That could be the case for very few of you, but yes, it is more like work thing. But situation is going to improve as you move towards the second half of the week, not because the relationship and the work is going to get balanced, but yes, you would try your best to make things go smoother now, because this is what you want, this is what you want, this is what you want, this is what you want. You want to put effort into connection, you really want to have a stability in the connection, you really feel that you belong to this person, but at the same time unable to maintain the balance. But yes, you are happy with this person, you are happy when you give time to the things that you get happy with, like this person, yourself. But right now, in the beginning, I don't see you having enough time to give to yourself even. So let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading for the Scorpions for the first week time. Past life relationship, you have known each other before. This is like, an ongoing thing since forever. You and this person has been dealing with this kind of an energy in this connection with you for since forever. I feel like, there is a strong magnetic attraction between the two of you. There is deep connection between the two of you, which seems like a past life connection, because there is like, even if you want to break free from them, they want to break free from you because of your busy attitude and stuff like that. They won't be able to do so. So the connection is so strong, solid, passionate, excited. But yes, it's like, somebody has to understand, like, this is going to happen, this is going to continue to happen, and that's how you both have to deal with it. So deal with it like as if it's a permanent situation, and then only things will be going smooth between the two of you. Somebody has to, take it from that light, like, from that perspective, where you have to understand that your person is going, you are going to be busy, or if you're a cross watcher, your person is going to be this way, so you have to deal with it. If you think you are able to deal, you can deal with it, it's good. If you think you cannot deal with it, still you won't be able to break free from this person. Why? Because you and this, Scorpio, and this person, whoever it is that you're dealing with, are meant to be together. So the better would be you both, find a permanent solution to the situation instead of going on and off with each other. Let's see one oracle here. Let's see what it has to add to the reading. In any moment, I can surrender to the powerful presence of love through prayer, contemplation, and stillness. That's what you need to do. You both need to surrender to the powerful presence of love that you both have for each other, instead of complaining and stuff like that. Just try to let things be the way they are, and try to accept each other the way you both are. So let's see one more oracle here. Choose love. You always have choice. Make yours with love. Make yours with love. So again, it's number 21. You always have a choice to get angry, to understand them, to accept them the way they are, to accept, and they accept you the way they are, and they accept you the way you are. And it's like, accepting each other the way you both are. You are busy. They need to understand that you would be like this forever. You are not going to change. If they can stop complaining, they and you can be the power couple. Even if they don't understand it, what's going to happen is you're going to keep going back and forth. back and forth, on and off. But it's not going to end. It has never ended. It's never going to end. So choose love, and you always have a choice to understand them with love or to pick up fight because of your fears that you start having. Maybe they don't love you anymore, maybe they don't want to be with you, maybe this and that. It's like your fears. It's like, you know, you are getting anxious, you are getting fearful. But if you choose love over your fears, everything is all good and everything will be all good. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys. Take care. Bye bye.